Mr. East,
Yes, sir.
how's jail?
To be honest, it's not nice.
Great.
It's not nice at all. And
It makes me very, very happy because I hope it's one of the most miserable, rotten experiences that you ever had.
it is, sir. And I wish to never see it again.
The problem is you keep doing things to land you in there.
Yes, sir. And I will try my best to do more to not end up back in here, sir. I promise.
The road to hell is paved
Mirror choices consequences reflect reality change accountability.
with good intentions, Mr. East.
I know, sir. Hey,
You're on a very serious probation for assault of a pregnant person. And now, picked up terroristic threat. You're now facing another year in jail. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you.
yes, sir.
You have the right to have an attorney present. You cannot inform one will be appointed to you. I don't even know what happened to your case. All I know is that you're on a serious probation,
Yes, sir.
and now you've picked up another case. So let's see what happens
Yes, sir.
and whether you deserve to be let out.
Yes, sir.
Please.
On April 29, 2024, in Harris County, Texas, the defendant threatened to kill the complainant and the child that they shared together. Complainant felt in fear and pepper sprayed the defendant while on the phone with the 911. Defendant admitted to the threat, stating it was out of anger.
What do you think? What other does he have any other prior criminal history from anywhere else? Juvenile?
So, Judge, his priors are all in county. He has assault of pregnant
Stakes high law distinguishes anger, intent, danger, family safety.
person that he's on probation for against his sister and an AFM, which was, it looks like it was.
So he has another assault.
He has an AFM from
22.
I think it was the same.
It was refiled. So it was an AFM that was refiled to assault a pregnant person.
That was the sister. The complaint was his sister.
Correct.
Not the
Complainant
same
on that
complaint.
case was his sister, and the complainant in this case is the child of, or the mother of
His child. He's not compensating baby mama.
Yeah, try not to. Did you make it?
Mr. East, what do you do with your life now?
Right now, I'm working at a thrift store. I'm not getting paid that much, but I'm getting paid just enough to take care of the child. And right now,
How are you going to take care of a child? You can't even take care of yourself, Mr. East.
I'm still learning. This is my first child, Your Honor. This is my first child, Your Honor. And
You know, the problem is that with all the anger that you have, if a child sees it, what are they going to do?
they're gonna feed off that same energy, sir.
Right.
And
They're going to be just like you. If they see you beat mama, threaten to kill mom, what are they going to do?
same thing, but I would never touch my child's mother. I would never. I would never.
Patient for the very same thing, Mr. East.
Carrot stick court challenge consistency discipline transformation.
Understand, sir.
I don't know, Carl. I don't know. You know, I'm not.
He's a lifelong resident of Harris County, Your Honor. He's not a flight risk.
I'm not. My concern is the public.
I understand. And the conditions are right now, he does have a place to stay. He lives on Tidwell. The mother of his child lives at a different location. And he orders are here for him to not have any contact with either with her, the complaining witness.
What was the tipping point here? Why did he get so angry?
4 o'clock in the morning,
4 o'clock in the morning.
I had got a phone call from a girlfriend of mine because she was having some problems of her own, but I was sleeping and I didn't
Rehabilitation structure accountability reward consequence real life test.
hear her phone call or her texts. So while I was holding the baby, I asked her,
4 in the morning.
in the morning,
yes, sir.
I believe he responded to some text from another female judge, and that's what caused the altercation between him and his mother of his child, which is understandable. We've talked about this. But he did not assault her, and as a matter of fact, he was pepper sprayed himself during the course of the altercation.